Hey, what is up guys, I'm Tech, and on this video we're gonna find out if the Samsung Galaxy S9 is still worth in 2020. So the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus came out in 2018, so it's almost been 2 years since the release date, but is it actually any good to this day? Well, let's find out. The Galaxy S9 still has the same design and look as the previous predecessor, the Galaxy S8, and that's not a bad thing because I actually liked how the S8 looked. In fact, that was my previous phone that I had before switching to the S9, and I have to say I really like that phone. The slick and unique design still doesn't give this phone an outdated look because of its thin bezels on the screen. Speaking about the screen, it is gorgeous. Obviously, Samsung has been killing it when it comes to their screens, and it has a 5.8 or a 6.2 depending if you have the S9 or S9 Plus. But I have the regular S9 and it has a 2960 by 1440p screen resolution, and it looks amazing. The colors, the contrast, and the saturation is just on point with this phone. Probably the best screen that I've ever used on a smartphone. One thing my previous Galaxy S8 lacks a little is the quality of the speakers. They are not loud enough, and since Samsung implemented the speakers at the bottom of the phone, it was very easy to cover them up with your hand, and when you cover them up you couldn't hear the sound loud and clear anymore. But with the S9, Samsung definitely improved that. Now you have two speakers, one at the bottom and the other one at the earpiece, and I have to say it's much louder and clearer than the Galaxy S8 speakers. Also, with these dual speakers on the S9, Samsung is calling it a stereo speaker experience, and overall the S9 has a really great speaker quality. And even if it had bad quality speakers like the S8, I wouldn't mind anyways because most of the time I'm always plugging in headphones. But definitely nice to see Samsung improving their speakers. Now let's talk specs, and this is where the Galaxy S9 still doesn't fall behind. Out of the box it comes with Android 8.0, but it got the 9.0 update, and I think it should be getting another update pretty soon. It has a Snapdragon 845 6-bit Samsung Exynos, starts at 64GB, and that's the base model storage. It comes with 4GB of RAM, and again this can vary with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus because they have different specs. Even though the regular S9 has only 4GB of RAM as opposed to 6 like the S9 Plus, it still feels pretty smooth, and I haven't had any type of lags or stutters since I got it. Apps run very smooth without freezing or lagging, and this is definitely something that I wanted to see from the S9. Where the S9 and S9 Plus really fall apart is the battery life. The S9 only has 3000 mAh battery, while the S9 Plus has a 3500 mAh, and of course because it's a little bit bigger like the display, but I couldn't get throughout the whole day with just one single charge, and it usually would die on me in the middle of the day, and I wasn't really doing any heavy intense use. I was only browsing the web and watching some YouTube videos and social media. So battery life on the S9 is pretty disappointing, and I think they could have done better, but maybe they fixed that on the S10, but who knows. The phone's battery life is not the best, but the S9 charges extremely fast with the right charger since it has quick charge technology, and I would usually throw in the charger for about 1.5 hours and it would be close to 100%, which is really nice to see. And I did notice that it did charge a little bit faster than my previous Galaxy S8 Plus, which is really good to see. Overall, if you are looking to get the S9 or S9 Plus in 2020, I would definitely recommend it because it's still an amazing phone, and it has a great screen, pretty good specs, and it also charges pretty fast. It's also waterproof, and it has an amazing camera. It takes really high quality photos and videos, and they are extremely sharp with nice amount of contrast and bokeh. This was by no means a full review of the device. This was just a quick rundown of the specs, but if you guys want to see the full review of this phone after 2 years, let me know down below in the comments. And also, if you guys like this video, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know if you guys have any other video ideas down below in the comments. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.